Hi everyone, my name is Anna. I've been lashing for over 3 years now. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the differences between narrow fans and wide fans. So when you are using fans and lashes, you're usually working on a mixed volume or mega volume set. Fans are used to create more dimension and more volume in a lash set. For volume lashes, you're going to be putting between 2 to 10 extensions in each fan, whereas with a mega volume, you can put from 5 all the way to 20 extensions in one fan. There are 2 types of fans that you can make. You can create narrow fans, and these are going to create darker, denser looks, or you can create wide fans, and these will create wispier, fluffier looks. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do both. So when creating a narrow fan, you wanna grab a little bit higher up on the lashes, so that way you have a bit of a longer stem, and you can even, once in your hand and pinch securely, you can start to scoot your tweezer up the extensions to create a longer stem and have a narrow fan. Creating wide fans, when you pick up off of the strip, you want to come up right against that yellow strip. So that way you're going to have a thinner base, smaller base. You're going to pinch and let the lashes open up all the way across. And you can even wiggle your tweezer back and forth to help them open up. Dip into your glue. And there is your wide fan. No matter what kind of fans you use in your set, just always make sure that you consult with your client first, so that way you're giving them the look that they're wanting to achieve. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope I brought you a ton of value. If you want to become a certified lash tech, we will be in a city near you, and you can go ahead and head over to livebaylashclass.com and sign up. Question for you, do you prefer narrow fans or wide fans? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.